Hi guys, good morning. Today I'm going to show you guys an update on my Costco dahlias and my Eden Brothers dahlias. So it's the middle of June right now. All the buds are a little bit smaller than they should be right now. I think it's because we had a late summer. But let's go ahead and look. These ones are the Eden Brothers. And these ones in the front are the tender mix. These ones over here in the front are cafeconleche mix. And then I put these labyrinths in the back. So there should be 5 labyrinths right here. But they should be like 3 times that size. I'll kind of show you my hand. It should be really big, like as big as my hand. But these are looking really pretty. And these are the ones that I'm hoping to keep on to for my kids' weddings. My sister's getting married. She's going to be using whites. I think white's always a good color. Look how pretty this one is. And then this one. That's not my favorite, but I think it'll look pretty mixed in with this. Look at those together. This one's really pretty. I've got those next to my rose bush. It's doing really well, getting really bushy. And then I've got a honeysuckle. It's growing like crazy. And then I've got these ones over here. I planted zinnias up front. They're starting to get really big and pretty. And these are the Costco dahlias. This one right here, this one next to it, and then there's one behind there that were ones I wasn't sure what they were. They were not labeled. So they came up nice. So those are not from Costco, but the rest of these are from Costco. And look how pretty these little pom-poms are. So we've got lots of those. A few that we need to deadhead here. So I'm going to cut these down here, right there, where the leaves are, so that more sprouts can come up. So I've got a couple that I need to deadhead here. But isn't that color pretty? And then I've got some other ones. This one looks like it's going to be a really big bloom. Back here, these ones I think have gotten attacked by spider mites. So I've been spraying those and kind of trying to keep them away from all the other ones so that it doesn't spread. But I've been trying to spray underneath the leaves with the spider mite control. So it's this one, the BioAdvance insect disease and mite control. I'm going to actually go ahead and spray these right now. I'll get back to showing you guys the pretty flowers. There's that one. And those are supposed to be double the size. I'm not touching any more dahlias after I just touched that one because I don't want to spread the spider mites. But yeah, there is an update on all the dahlias. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you guys soon. Bye. Hi, buddy.